correct, comrades, that when you want to step aside, you give excuses at the conference of Waterberg region. It can't be correct. It can't be correct that when you decide to step aside, you give excuses.
In the as NEC members and as the officials of the ANC, if there is any of those kind of
Hello and welcome back to 360 Political View. In today's video, I want us to talk about the letter of Mr. Stan Mathabatha, who's the former premier of the ANC in Limpopo. We've seen a letter of Mr. Stan Mathabatha doing the rounds on social media. The letter is directed to the Secretary General of the ANC and to the ANC NEC. Now, in this letter, Mr. Stan Mathabatha tells the ANC Secretary General that he wants to step aside from his responsibility as chairperson of the ANC in Limpopo, effective immediately. That was on the 1st of September when we started seeing this letter. Now, if you have been following the politics of the ANC leading up to the 2022 conference of the ANC, you'd know that the relationship between the structures of the ANC in Limpopo and Mr. Stan Mathabatha have no longer been the same. Because at some point in that conference, Mr. Stan Mathabatha neglected the CR faction and joined or abandoned the CR faction and joined the Zweli Mkhize lobby group. The ANC Youth League has responded to Mr. Stan Mathabatha's letter and said, Chief, if you want to leave, leave. They don't cause drama. Yes, they acknowledge that Mr. Stan Mathabatha has played a huge role and is a veteran of the ANC. And they also say that it would be a great loss if the ANC could accept the step-aside letter from Mr. Stan Chupu Mathabatha. But one thing that they say is that if he wants to leave, he can leave, but not cause drama. But they say if he then decides to leave, he must resign as the chairperson and not step aside. And his resignation as the chairperson of the ANC in Limpopo must be followed by a resignation to Parliament and subsequently his resignation from the National Executive as the Deputy Minister. So this is very interesting coming out from Limpopo, comrades. But now I want us to look at the video of, I think it's a regional chairperson of Waterberg addressing the very same issue. And that video will also be followed by the second DSG of the ANC, says that they have not received any letter from Mr. Chupu Mathabatha. Let's listen to what the DSG and the regional chairperson of Waterberg had to say in relation to all this.
Can be correct, comrades, that when you want to step aside, you give excuses at the conference of Waterberg region. It can't be correct. It can't be correct that when you decide to step aside, you give excuses at the conference of Bembe. You join the ANC voluntarily. And if you want to step aside voluntarily without giving excuses.
Speaking to SABC News, on the sidelines of the Waterberg Regional Conference, the party's second Deputy Secretary General says they are yet to receive formal notice of the letter.
There are many letters that we are receiving in the as NEC members and as the officials of the ANC. if there is any of those kind of issues that you are raising in any letter, they will be dealt with, and we will then now communicate officially. At the moment, there is no letter that we received officially that I can be able to talk about officially. But we receive many letters, as I've already said. We probably received a letter from him, and we will be seized with those letters. But what we are seized more with is to actually have a renewal process in the ANC. We are also actually seized with making sure that the National General Council of the ANC that is going to take place in December is actually successful. It will be informed, in fact, by the RGCs that are going to take place all over the country in ensuring that we renew the ANC and we bring the ANC where it needs to be. That's what we are seized with, and that's what we will do.
Attempts to get comment